Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this Xiaomi. You need to begin by opening device's settings. In them, scroll all the way down to access apps. Then click on App Lock and tap on Turn On at the bottom. Finally, you can create your pattern that you'll use to lock your apps. Repeat it in order to confirm it and click on Next at the bottom right corner. Now you can log into your Xiaomi account. If you don't want to do that, click on Not Now. Wait 5 seconds and choose Not Now in the pop-up. Now, in order to lock all of those apps right away, click on Use App Lock. If you don't want to do that, just click on all of them over here. Check for 0 and click on Use App Lock then. If you wish to use your fingerprint to unlock your apps, you can verify it from here. If you don't, just click on Cancel. So now, to lock your apps, click on the switches next to the chosen ones. You can unlock them the same way. I will go with, for example, YouTube, so now when I click on the switcher next to it and try to access it, I can see that pattern is now required. If you wish to turn off App Lock completely, you need to access the same App Lock settings. Enter your pattern and tap on this gear icon at the top right corner. Lastly, tap on the switcher next to App Lock feature and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!